and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use AutoCAD to beat sync to music. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, you need to simply tap open CapCut and start by selecting the template you would like to align with the theme and style of your video. So if you are doing a day in my life or like simple spooky edits, you can simply select a video and then select go and tap open the template and simply select your style. So once you have selected the style, you can simply tap on use templates and scroll down to simply add like your videos. Now once you have selected the template and the videos that you want to beat sync to music, simply tap on the next option and then it will be now AutoCAD to be synced with this particular beat of music template. So this is how you can simply use AutoCAD to beat sync to music on CapCut. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.